But I think this is something that I would like to bring as a key message. This actually came from a patient of mine that had to choose between having a pouch or a stoma bag, and then I discovered that he is interested in the history of wrap and wrappers. And we talked about wrap, and then I quite crazily asked him if there is a wrap about IBD. And he said, I don't think so, but there is a wrap about IBD. If you want to cheer yourself up and your patient, click KW got this IBD. It's a rapper who has Crohn's disease, who did this wonderful rap, where there is this wonderful line. IBD is something that you have, but it does not define who you are. This is actually the key thing in the treatment. And now back to Medusa, and we'll finish with that. Perseus is sent to decapitate Medusa. How will he do it? He will do it through the reflection in the shield of Athena. The word reflection in English is beautiful because it's also the optical reflection, but also to reflect. So when our patients are faced with all these fears of IBD, our role is to reflect with them about what is it. They are petrified by side effects, reflect, give them information, involve them. Involvement is very, very important. And then he chops the head of Medusa. This is the wonderful portrait of Caravaggio, the decapitated Medusa, because her head is also active after it's been chopped off. And then the amazing thing happens. From the beheaded body of Medusa emerges this creature, Pegasus. He was trapped in Medusa. And from the first place where Pegasus touches the ground, the creek of the Muses emerges, that creek that gave inspiration to all human creativity. So to wrap it up, if you help the patient to face the petrifying snake of the Medusa of IBD, you reflect with them and you manage to help them less petrifying, you release life energy and you improve quality of life. And I love the Pegasus because this is the sign of St. Mark's, the winged lion, which is not dissimilar. So actually, it's on my daily work, I'm reminded of the role to liberate Pegasus from the Medusa of IBD. Thank you.